Lady Lowrider.
Bring him, bring him.
Wobble wobble.
Ready?
Looks like Team Hard Headers are ready to go.
Ready. 500 people on the live. If y'all just joined, tap that follow button real quick. My boy's about to hit the switches on here. No.
All right, he's not gonna start going high until I hear y'all get loud.
Let's
So
go.
on count of 3, I want you to just zoom
Lopez
out.
Miranda, San Antonio Super Show. If y'all out here, the show's till 6 p.m. San Antonio.
3, 2,
Let's go.
1.
Do a burnout. Let's go on the switches, homie.
Give it up. Let's go, Fred. We want to see it get a lot there.
Y'all tap that follow button real quick. Takes 2 seconds. Hit that follow button. Hit that like button. We're going for 30K likes. My dog's about to hit the switches. You already know. Hey, we out here. Do a burnout. Oh, wrong show, guys.
So is it gonna go in the air or is it gonna stay there?
I'm out here screaming, do a burnout. Hey, San Antonio, Texas. What's up?
My left.
Y'all already know we out here. Make sure y'all tap that follow button. Takes 2 seconds. If y'all see me out here, I'm gonna be shooting lives all day. Make sure you say what's up.
Fred, you ready for this? Yeah. Are you sure you're ready? I don't know, brother. I don't hear nobody screaming. They're completely quiet. They're quiet. Come on, I want to hear y'all say something. Is everybody over there? Give it up, give it up. Come on, let's hear it.
Let's go. Oh.
We want to hear you. We want to hear you. Oh, what?
That stroke just snapped, man. The whole shaft.
Yo, wild. No, pues gente, ya no se hizo. Ya no se hizo, mi gente. Still, tap that like button. Tap that follow button. We got more coming.
Hey, you can bend the cylinder.
Ya no se hizo, mi
As soon
gente.
as I saw the spring pop out,
Hey, tap that follow button.
send it a broke.
He's gonna get out here on 3 wheels. He's fine. He's fine. No, no puede ser.
Hey, wait, just thinking your boat wing.
No puede ser.
Hey. Let's go.
Hey,
Turn on the engine. Let's go, baby. Hey, go bring the trash out for the trailer week.
ya no se hizo, mi gente.
Hey, you like that? I know it. Hey, you like that? You like that? You can see it. Them coils are good right there.
Hey, you guys, tap that like button real quick, man. Give it up for these guys, man. They spend so much money on these cars just to hop them.
This one's over?
Hey, bro, how much you think that costs to fix?
I don't know. Well,
Zero.
5K to fix, man.
you break it by.
Not even a big red soda?
Hey, shout out to everybody on this live, man. Yo, wild. We out here, man. Say what's up to the people, man.
Sorry, dog.
We out, guys. Y'all go follow my dog, man. What is it, Joey? What?
JoeyReyes.tx.
Joey Reyes.tx. Y'all better go comment on his stuff. Tell him you saw him on the
like
live.
this one.
Yeah.
If you do not have one of these, please step out of the hop pit.
Freeman Coliseum. Lopez Miranda, Freeman
The hop
Coliseum.
is only for
If
professional
you are
hop
coming
pit
out,
passes.
make sure you say what's up. I'm gonna be out here all day.